Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. When I quit my coffee shop job, the one thing I really missed was being able to have espresso drinks whenever I wanted. So we went out and purchased this Breville Bambino, and it was the perfect solution for me for sure. I love how compact this machine is because I'm very picky about appliances on my counter. So, the biggest thing about it for me was it doesn't take up a whole lot of real estate on my beverage bar. And I love how simple this machine is. It does not take an expert to run. It has the portafilter, it has a tamper. It comes with the 1 and 2 shot cups for the portafilter. It also has a hidden feature that I did not know about for a long time is underneath the water reservoir is the milk frother cleaner. And it has this great water reservoir on the back that may seem a little small, but is actually way more water than you think it is. You can pull up to 8 to 10 double shots of espresso. This espresso machine is so great. We call it Babe because it really is the great Bambino. If you are looking for a user friendly espresso machine for your home, then this is the one that you should definitely go with. But that's just my point of view.